niwatendee ibada hii. Nawakaribisha sasa. Jitokezeni. Mtende mi. Who goes there?
I, Kirsten von Weinelstein. You owe me a great debt.
What can I do for you?
I require a nanny goat.
And what do you offer? Chicken for a prize possession?
Prize possession, boy. We got more goats than we know what to do with. I'm tired of eating goat for supper. Take the poultry. We can use the bones.
You think I like chicken because I'm a shaman? Very well then. Lucky guess.
What the hell is he doing?
Quiet, child. It's the ancient art of the voodoo. The chicken has deep ties to the soul. He must figure out which goat he's going to give ya.
Maroho Yamenena. The spirits have spoken. Give him what he wants.
Come with me, child.